This mountaintop contemporary-style home is located at White Pine Canyon Road in the gated community of The Colony in Park City, Utah. The ski-in, ski-out masterpiece was built by award-winning architect Michael Upwall, heralded as one of Park City's most elegant and timeless mountain estates. At 18,000 square feet, it is one of the larger homes in the area. Designed to be a turnkey destination, the home offers almost everything imaginable. The owner wanted a home with all the amenities of a hotel so that when they came, they didn't have to go anywhere else to enjoy the Park City lifestyle. The dramatic porte cochere sets the stage for an experience rivaling any five-star luxury resort with breathtaking panoramic views and a palatial approach to construction and design. Wood and stone curve gracefully around the exterior, lending a traditional mountain home look to the residence. Inside, the home is much more transitional. The architect used Venetian plaster and woods to provide depth and contrast. He mixed the dark wood with the lighter gray scales and taupe color throughout the home. There is a lot of curve to the interior as well, and that gives the home a very spacious feel. The newly remodeled chef's kitchen truly makes it an entertainer's heart of the home with intricate detailed high-end finishes, including illuminated floor-to-ceiling cabinetry and herringbone floors that tie together the impeccable mountain chic decor. Notable features include the floating master wing, open concept floor plan, a classic bar with a spiral staircase leading to a wine cellar and tasting room, and a Sundance-worthy home theater with a stage. A massive elliptical staircase leads to the downstairs pool environment, which is completely isolated from the rest of the home. Sits on 4.8 acres, one of the few slopeside homes with expansive outdoor living space, multiple gathering areas, manicured landscaping, outdoor kitchen, hot tub, water feature, and fire garden, leading to the singular experience of the spa wing, complete with a 25-meter indoor pool and rooms for massage, steam, and fitness. The classic mountain transitional home is flanked by aspen, pine, and fir trees, and sited to take advantage of the view corridors that exist naturally on the lot.